Today at Beth's Keto Kitchen, I'm making a personal skillet lasagna, keto style, using egg white wraps for our noodles. So join me and let's get cooking. These are the ingredients we will need, but of course I will always list the complete recipe in the description box below. So I'm going to start by browning my hamburger and diced onions. I'll add a little bit of pink salt, some garlic powder, Italian seasoning, Parmesan cheese. Meanwhile, while we're browning that, let's do half of that container of ricotta cheese, add a little bit of parsley, some garlic powder, an egg, give that a stir, and I'm going to add in a little Parmesan cheese as well. Also note that my little cast iron skillet is heating up in the oven at 375. After the ground beef is cooked and drained, we'll add our marinara. I like the specialty premium from Aldi. That is 4 net carbs for a half a cup serving. Now I am making a family size here, so I will have extra sauce for the rest of the family. Keep your heat on and heat up that sauce. This makes the process go a lot quicker in the oven. Now take your cast iron skillet out of the oven and start layering. I start with a little layer of sauce on the bottom. Now add one of your egg white wraps and top that with some more sauce. Now I'll add some dollops of ricotta cheese. Next, we'll layer on some shredded mozzarella cheese. And I decided to add pepperoni to my lasagna. You'll notice that this is a small cast iron, so really a personal lasagna skillet. However, this does serve 4. So we're just going to continue layering in the same way with the sauce and then the cheese and the pepperoni. If you are not a ricotta cheese fan, you could omit that, or you could replace that with cottage cheese. It's totally up to you. Customize the recipe to your liking. So for the last layer, we'll put on another wrap, more sauce, a little bit of Parmesan cheese if you like, mozzarella cheese. That looks good, don't you think? Now let's get ready to put in the oven. Put some toothpicks in the top so that you can cover it with foil, and that way the cheese won't stick. So 375 for 25 minutes covered. Then remove the foil and continue baking for 10 to 15 minutes until hot and bubbly. Doesn't that look delicious? Now be sure to let it rest on the counter for 10 to 15 minutes to set before slicing. Oh, I know that was hard to wait, but it's important to let it set before slicing. So now let's slice up and enjoy. This little skillet will give us 4 servings. Oh, look at that. It is steamy and melty. And oh my goodness. If you can only smell it, it is delicious. Look at that. I can't wait to dig in. Let me tell you guys, this lasagna is totally delicious, and your family will not know that you didn't use pasta. These egg white wraps are just the perfect noodle replacement. I think that's the most difficult thing in keto, is finding that perfect noodle replacement. This is so worth it. I hope you try it, and if you do, please let me know how you like it. So I'll list the recipe in the description box below. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope that you enjoy my channel, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and press that notification bell so you are alerted when I upload new videos. Thanks so much for watching, and have a wonderful evening.